Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at using polymer clay with some silicone moulds to make embellishments. This is a great way to use up any scraps of clay, as generally I paint my embellishments anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me what colour the clay is. What is important is that the clay is very well conditioned and soft. I'm going to start by making a small sausage of clay and smush it into the centre of the mould. And I gently work it into all the details and of course the edges. It can be a little bit awkward as polymer clay doesn't stick well to silicone and would rather stick to your fingers. Take a tissue blade and very carefully slice off the excess polymer clay. Care needs to be taken here as you don't want to cut into or damage the silicone mould. This method gives a really clean edge. I find that tapping the edges helps to clean up any leftover clay from the mould. It's worth taking your time to get the edges clean before the clay is baked. It's much more difficult to clean them up on a cured piece. An easy way to demould a piece like this is to take a shiny surface. This ceramic tile is perfect for this. Turn the mould over and press it down so that the polymer clay starts to adhere to the tile. Then just carefully ease the mould away. Any cleaning up can now be done carefully with a craft knife. As this has been turned out onto a ceramic tile, it can go straight into the oven and be cured on the tile without having to disturb the clay. This is a much deeper mould and it can be difficult to use polymer clay in these. I'm just going to smush the clay deep into the mould to ensure I get into all the details. And again, take your time to ensure that the edges are clean. I'm not going to attempt to demould this one quite yet, it's way too soft, so I'm going to pop it into the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes to help it to firm up. So after 20 minutes in the fridge, I'm just going to tease the edges of the mould away to break the seal. And try to unmould them using the same method as before, just with a smaller tile. I've got it part way out of the mould, but as this mould's very flexible, I can ease it the rest of the way by hand. And the other cherub pops out quite easily. There's a little bit of cleaning up of the edges to do, but I'll do that with a craft knife before I bake them. Then it's just bake in the oven as per the manufacturer's instructions. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified of any new videos. Thanks for watching.